How is it going, everyone? Today I am unboxing the Fractal Design R4. This is the white windowed version. And just got here. Alright. This case is more of a silencing optimized case, which is pretty cool. I will show you some of the features once I get it open. I opted for the white one because a lot of people say it looks like an older computer, like from the 90s, but I just think it's a very clean color. Start pulling this off. All right. Wow, that is a lot nicer looking than I anticipated. All right, let's see if that's all in frame. Yes, it is. Let's put it down just a bit. Sorry about that. There we go. All right, we've got a user's manual, and that's it on here. All right, let's remove the actually, let's go around the front. All right, in front of the case, we have this really nice glossy white. It's plastic. What it is on the titanium version, on the black version, this is supposed to be like it's a piece of plastic that's kind of textured like aluminum. This one's just plastic, but it does look nice. I can tell it is going to be a magnet for dust. And let's open this door here. Let's make sure. Alright, right here we've got sound deadening foam. This is a magnetic door, by the way. Removable bay covers. Very easy too. Alright. I'm going to move it a little bit closer so you guys can see. Right here, this is a removable. Oh, this isn't a filter, this is almost a cover. This is the filter. And how does it come out? There we go. Pull down this tab and pull. Okay, it's easier said than done with one hand. You know, oh, there we go. This comes out. Your fans will be plugged in. It comes with that's a 140 millimeter. It's not bad. And it's also got mounting positions for a 120 millimeter and a 140 millimeter. And that cat needs to stay out of the boxes. It's actually pretty nice. I like this. There's also a fan speed controller here. 12, 7, and 5 volts. Make sure you're running high quality fans if you're running them at 5 volts, because they will not start. If not, they will just sit there and they'll try to spin up and they can't. Alright, right here we have power button. You know, that's one of the reasons I opted for this case. I like the sound. It's not like a gummy push. Reset button, headphones, mic, USB 3.0, USB 2.0, and the top here we've got two fan mounting areas for either 120s or 140s, and they are covered with Fractal Design's Moduvent material, or Moduvent covers, which I will show you in a moment. Here's the side panel. Wow, that is a nice fitting panel. Really heavy. Normally, I'll put this back up here. Normally, side panels, like if you work with a lot of cheap cases, which I have worked with in the past, they're not really rigid. Like, this is a nice rigid panel. This is covered in the Benjamin sound deadening material as well. Window is in there nice with these tabs, so if you wanted to take it out and mod it or something like that. The nice thing is the inside is also painted, which is nice because sometimes you don't see that in pretty much many cases. Alright. Let's go over the interior, and I know the lighting is not the best, and I apologize for that. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hard drive mounting positions, all on these hard drive sleds. They're not toolless, but they have these rubber feet at the bottom, which I prefer these. They're really strong. If you look at like other competitors' hard drive sleds, they don't become rigid until you put a hard drive in it, which I don't like. Inside the accessories box, there we go. We have let's open this up. And I will just bring the camera down. We have more of these kind of rubber grommets for the hard drives. Power source screws, 2.5-inch screws. These are the screws, the special screws you're going to need for the hard drives. Motherboard screws, thumb screws, standoffs, and oh, that's kind of cool. Standoff tightener, I think that is. Let's see. Yes. I'll pull it out. It's kind of hard doing this one-handed. Yes, you just put your Phillips screw in there and tighten down your thumb screws, which is nice because sometimes you tighten them with pliers. You stick like the end of the pliers in there and it just scratches them up, and sometimes it messes up the threading. Alright, let's get in closer here. Pull off the other side panel. Got another 140mm in the back. Nice sleeve job on these. I'd prefer if that was black, but it's not really going to matter because it's all going to be covered. And I'm going to need a screwdriver because those run pretty tight. So there you go. You're going to need a screwdriver. Just make these on. They are tight. Wow, this video is running long. I will pause here real quick and get back to you guys in a second. I just wanted to show you this is the back panel, and it is also covered in the sound dampening material, the bitumen. And this is a heavy panel, like for a case panel. That's pretty heavy. Alright, get right back to you. Alright, we are back. Let's go over the front panel connectors here. We have USB 3.0, USB 2.0, reset. Wow, it's kind of strange that these are all different areas. USB, reset switch, power LED, power switch, and HD audio. Just your audio connectors. And this here, let's go around the back side. Look at the room for cable management you've got here. That's crazy. You can also actually screw in 2 SSDs or 2.5-inch hard drives. I wouldn't do it with like laptop hard drives because you get a lot of vibration. But yeah, you can plug those in right there. 2 of them, one there and one there, which is pretty cool. Alright, these are the internal connectors for that fan controller you saw. And you supply power through this Molex connector, and then up to 3 fans, the 3rd connector's right there. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Rubber grommets are nice quality ones. Like, they're not the kind that when you put your hand in or you put your cables in, they just fall right out. These ones you actually have to pull out. That's nice. Alright, let's go back around here, and I'm going to show you the options for the hard drive cages. This is what I like, because I'm not going to be using this many hard drives, but this would be a good case for like a server, a home server. You can pull it all the way out. So you've just got direct airflow from this pan directed to your graphics card. Or you can put it like this. Personally, I never do that, because I don't want everything just coming out here and no. But yeah, you've also got little rubberized feet, not rubberized, little foam feet here for your power source. Right here you've got foam for sound editing as well. You've got the standard PCI slots for a normal ATX motherboard, plus 1 for like an accessory or a fan controller. This hard drive cage here can actually be moved over to this position, which will cover up the hole, and it might make putting a modular power source in a little bit difficult. But it is possible. 2 bays up there for, well, I don't know really who uses a disk drive anymore, but yeah. You've got cable management up here for your 8-pin proprietary power for your, come on, Zach, think, for your CPU. And let me unscrew, you see, actually I'm not going to unscrew them, but these are the mod vent covers. Hard plastic on top, so nothing's going to, no dust is getting through there. And that nice bitumen foam, or bitumen sound deafening material there, and foam in between. Pretty nice. The paint job is great. It's high gloss white. And yeah, that's pretty much, I was kind of all over the place, but I'm trying to do this in a hurry. That's pretty much all I have to say about the Fractal Design R4, or Fractal Design, and it's the Define R4. This is an awesome case, it looks like. It's wider than normal cases as well. I've been using a Corsair C70 for a while and thought I'd change it up. Alright, thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions or comments, just leave them for me, and I'll get to them as soon as possible. Alright.